Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2005 Ford Taurus. Stock number is A6245B. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. Swinging around to the back end now, and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. You have plenty of storage room here, as well as a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Taurus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.